Hey, what's going on, you guys? So, I have right now turned on the Razer Siren Mini, and I'm about to do a mic test on it. As you can see, the light is on, so it's actively on. Uh, and on my PC, I have the setting volume up to 75, which I think that's a good level right there. Uh, yeah, so there goes the input. It says Razer Siren Mini. And as you can see, it is working. It's picking up my sound. And I'm about like 12 feet away. Well, not 12 feet away. Well, a foot away. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm about a foot away from the mic right now. And yeah, so this is not a test. This is just to let you know that it's on and what the current level volume is, and show you that it's working. So here it goes. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I'm in CapCut Studio right now, and as you can see, it's working, and I have the volume set to 100, and it's picking up my voice. So right now, I'm about to do a recording, and I'm about a foot away from the mic right now. So yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm really close to the mic. I'm about a couple of inches away from the mic, and this is a test. This is how it sounds. Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3. Alright, you guys, this is the second test. I'm still up close to the mic. I'm about a couple inches away from the mic, and this is how it sounds. Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3. Alright, you guys, I'm about a foot away from the mic right now, and this is how it sounds. Hopefully, it sounds good from far away. So, mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3. Okay, you guys, this is the second mic check from a foot away. This is how it sounds. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Again, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. And this is how it sounds from 1 feet away. Alright, you guys, that's it for the mic test. Hopefully, this helps any of you out there. So, just to let you guys know that this is a test right out of the box without any adjustments in the voice changer settings or in the CapCut Studio software. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and hearing, and I'm out. Bye.